Alright, have my audio working this time? Yes, is it working? It is working. Hello, Scrap Mechanic Reddit. Let me turn this off. This will be my documentation on another suspension glitch experiment. I have not really posted in this subreddit in a while due to some personal reasons, but sorry, haven't done this in a while. The goal here for today is to see if we're able to generate lifts using suspension glitches without having constantly turn a vessel, like just have a vertical lift. And that's what the setup here is for. So the goal here is to have them angled, to have their turning ability be kind of like vertical that way. I don't know if that's really how it works. Not deep diving here, I'm just messing around. That's what those are for. And then these right here is to activate the actual suspension glitch, you know. So this to angle it, and that to turn it on. We will start with angled, or actually no, we will start with unangled. As you can see here, it works. And we're seeing we can just spin it like this. You know, obviously it looks a little funky. Turn on suspension glitches. Starts doing that. Interesting. It's too powerful. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Okay, shut off, buddy. Okay. So I think the problem here is the angled. I don't know if we actually need that. Huh. Okay, you know what? We are going to do a revamp here. We're going to do a revamp. What we're going to do is we're going to hop up here. And then we're going to place a block the moment all these get out of the way. Come on, get out of the way. Get out. On the fly revamp here. That's down. Right there. Kaboing. 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 Alright. Yep, nothing's hooked up. Alright, we're gonna move this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swoosh, 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 swoosh. Okay. Everything should be in the correct. Right. Need to angle it. Interestingly enough, they're not spinning. Seem to just be acting like a regular stabilizer here. Let's crank up angle to 30 degrees. See if hammering it does anything still. Let's take it off the platform here. Yeah, it seems to be just acting like a regular stabilizer. Which direction is this going in again? Alright. Alright. I have an idea. Maybe stupid, but it's an idea. Alright. Interestingly enough, that started to affect at 5. Not you. Not you either. 6, 7, and 8. Again, unaffected. This is powered still, right? slight movement. Cranking up to 45. On all surfaces. Putting stationary for that. Releasing from the left. Again, still just acting like a regular stabilizer. Do note, though, that it is free floating. That is very interesting. I don't know how to feel about that. Let's just create a little testing platform here. Weld the corner here. Now, a regular stabilizer should just, in this orientation, keep it from falling. I think that's what's going to happen here. I want to see what happens if we spin that thing, though. Do this. Right? Yep. Anything happen? Just a regular ass stabilizer now. It appears that they don't really want to move anymore. Now I've made them those bearings stationary, so maybe perhaps again we put on the lift and we remove all connections. It's turned off. Sure is. When you start moving again, okay, you create that drag. And okay, so now you're not doing your thing. Cranking up to 75. We have achieved spinning. Slight spinning? Slight spinning. Bumping up to 90. We have achieved slight rotation. Very slight, though. Finally, we're getting some friggin' progress. Bumping it up to 105 on all surfaces, being all suspension glitches. Should start saying that to be more technical now. Very jittery. I think I just broke its momentum chain. No, you want to spin that way now? Alright, you know what? Let's bump it up to 120. We just started rotating in the opposite direction now. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of when I was trying to mess with wedge-powered vehicles. Could not figure out the science to that. You know, let's go all the way back down to 15 on 1. And 3. Interestingly enough, all are still vibrating. And still rotating, so it seems to be powered by the strongest one. Bring that back down to, let's say, 15. Oh, we had some movement. Did you see that? Turning off all suspension glitches, restarting engine. Nothing. Bring back up to 120 on all suspension engines. Or potential suspension engine. Restarting. Nothing. Maybe a bit more... Yeah, maybe a bit more resistance, but I can't really tell. That is a very interesting effect. Don't know if that's just if I'm on here or what. Look, if I turn on this, swatch my hammer. See that? No matter which way I hit it. Maybe it's just scrap mechanics jank from physics, but I feel like either way I hit it, it rotates the same way. Alright, this has already gotten to like 11 minutes. You know, for this one, I think I will, I think I'll post this to a new YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm sure people will like this.